Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the topics in Tally. Let me just give you those points. So here the topic is mainly focusing on features and configuration. Features can be configured with the help of F11, whereas configuration is F12. Okay, these options helps in enabling or disabling the options in Tally. So let me just open Tally and show you the practical approach of it. So I'll just go with educational mode. Close the existing company by selecting shut company or debt-free shut company and creating a company with the name as test. Okay. You can provide the details and press Control to save it. So as a result of this, company is created and it allows you to get into features and configuration. F11 helps you in features where we can configure accounting features, inventory features, statutory and taxation features, and we have got TSS features and add-ons. Now these options can be explicitly selected one by one. We can see here. That's your accounting features. We have got general setup with accounting, okay, outstanding management, cost profit center management, invoicing, budget and scenario management, banking features, and other features. Okay, apart from this, we can switch on to function key F2, which is inventory. So inventory, keeping stock, information pertaining to stock, information pertaining to go down. So such type of information can be set with the help of function key F2. Then we have got function key F3, that is statutory and taxation. If you have got TDS, GST, okay, so these type of tax which are deducted can be configured with the help of your statutory and taxation option. Then we have got function key F4. Okay, this is basically if you want to get connected to server, your GST server, this will be useful. Your connection name is to be provided, the contact person details, contact number, and connectivity features should be configured. Okay, so via browser, if you're accessing, you can just say yes for browser access. Okay, connect to company on loading. So in this way, we can configure TSS. That's nothing but relevant to connectivity. Okay, then we have got function key F6. F6 is for add-ons. If you want to have any additional add-ons or purchase some add-ons from Tally, you can get connected to Tally and you can access the additional add-ons that are provided from Tally. You can download the file and you can get it configured with your current version of Tally. Okay, so if you want to come out of the screen, press escape. Okay, and press escape once again to exit from your company features. Okay, so apart from this, we do have even function key F12, which helps in configuration. Okay, so F12 provides you general information. Okay, that's your general information. Then we can switch to the other screens like the options which are available, that is numerical symbols. Okay, then we have got account, inventory info, and so on. So these are configuration, additional configuration. If you want, we can configure it over here. Okay, it also includes print options, payroll configuration, invoice, voucher entries. So anything that is pertaining to your what do you say, Tally configuration that can be configured with the help of function F12. Okay, that's all about this session. Thank you.